How to add Skew 3D animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a Skew 3D animation, you can actually apply it into an image, button, or text. For this case, I'll choose in here this text. Now into it, just click on it and click onto this Open Inspector icon. Then go to this lightning icon in order to see in here the animations and effects. So the Skew 3D can be found under the mouse effects, as well as the hover option. But for this case, I'll choose in here this mouse effects. Click on that. And in here we have the Skew 3D option. So head over and click on it. And then once it's been clicked, just touch this adjust animation and then choose in here or change or adjust the options in here. Now you can interact with this element and you can see what it will look like once your mouse interacts with it. How you add Skew 3D animation on Wix. Hope we help.